Meaning of honeymoon.
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 Honeymoon. The term honeymoon refers to a vacation or trip taken by newlyweds immediately after their wedding, typically for a week or two. It is meant to be a time for the couple to enjoy each other's company and celebrate their marriage in a romantic and relaxed setting. The origins of the term are uncertain, but it likely comes from the Old English word honeymoon, which referred to the first month after a wedding when newlyweds consumed mead, honey wine, every day. Today, honeymoons can be taken anywhere in the world and can range from simple camping trips to luxurious resorts.